Hi, I'm Dr. Jeannie Chung, a facial plastic surgeon here in Wellesley, Massachusetts. I've been in the Massachusetts-Boston area since 2004, and I specialize in all aspects of facial rejuvenation of the head and neck region. The only body work that I do is liposuction, and it has been an amazing journey with my patients. I have known them for years and helping them achieve the goals and dreams that they have for how they look. Even though I am a surgeon, we offer a whole array of non-surgical procedures such as Botox and fillers, and of course my surgical procedures, which include eye lift surgery, rhinoplasty, which is nose reshaping, facelifts, mini lifts, neck lifts, brow lifts, so anything that you can imagine. And we even remove moles in the office, repair earlobes, anything that patients need to have done in that area. We offer many different skincare lines, which we have all researched extensively. And we have chosen what I think are some of the best lines, such as Environ, which comes from South Africa, that all my staff and I personally use and we love. In an initial consultation, I actually ask my patients to bring in a picture of themselves from a couple years back, depending on the age of the patient. I like to assess how their aging has been happening. And then we have a conversation where actually I do a lot of listening. I listen to them about what bothers them, what their goals are in life. Are they someone who works? What's their time frame? And then from then on, I examine them and then I give them my honest assessment of what I think would help them achieve that goal. And more importantly, I give them lots of options. There's so many ways these days to achieve what patients want. Sometimes we have a lot of non-surgical, minimally invasive procedures, or up to surgical procedures. We have laser treatments, other skincare treatments. So it's really almost teamwork. It's an open dialogue where we define what their goals are and what they want to improve, and then it's up to me to make some recommendations and to give them lots of options. The Botox is still fantastic. And as you know, it's a muscle treatment.
Yep.
It's not a wrinkle treatment.
No.
So that when you smile, it just helps relax those wrinkles.
Okay.
Now in the future, if you wanted this deep one filled in, we can actually add in filler to those lines, and then the combination works beautifully. My philosophy is actually quite simple. I want to make patients look and feel their best in a very natural, age-appropriate manner without making them look done or artificial. That is so important to me, and I actually think it's harder to have someone look their best in a natural way. It's actually sometimes easier to over-treat someone and make them not quite look like themselves. But again, this is New England. And luckily, a lot of my patients have a view of themselves the way I do. I want them just to look fresher. I want their friends to say, gee, you look fantastic, were you on vacation? I would hate to have someone look overly done. And luckily, my patients have the same philosophy I do. And they all come in and say to me, Dr. Chung, we don't want to look overdone, we just want to look a little bit better. We're at the junction of 128, Route 16, Route 90, so all my patients can get to me from all parts of Massachusetts. I am also in a new facility where I'm building a surgical suite. So we have beautiful exam rooms, laser treatment rooms. So I've been here since September and we love the new location. We have, I think, a very beautiful waiting area, which is just calm and relaxing for the patient. So as they come in, they get a sense of who I am and a sense of what the practice is like. Then this is my consultation room where I like to actually sit across the table from a patient when I meet them for the first time, and we have a discussion. I have a computer that we go through before and after pictures. I find that when you meet someone for the first time and they're sitting in that patient chair and you're sitting as a doctor in front of them, sometimes they get a little nervous versus just sitting across them from a round table. I think it sets the mood. We have several treatment rooms where I will administer my Botox and my fillers. We have 2 or 3 esthetician rooms where my medical estheticians will perform procedures. They also perform multiple laser treatments such as the diode treatment, which helps with blood vessels and brown spots. We have photo rejuvenation, which is used with a laser called the IPL. And it's a wonderful way to spruce up your skin tone and get rid of brown spots. We have another room with a special treatment for acne. Then I have my surgical suite in the center. Overall, it's a very big space because we offer a lot of procedures here. And it gets injected right underneath the skin, in tiny bits. The biggest risk with any of these injections is always a risk of some small needle marks, a little bit of bruising. But usually right afterwards, patients can go right back to work with some makeup on and no one will even know they had anything done. The best way to reach us is either calling our office at 781-235-3223. We also have a website. It's www.drdrjeanniechung, JeannieChung.com. And we can set up a consultation, meet and talk about their needs, and then we can go from there, come up with a wonderful treatment plan.